Hey y'all, this is your girl Tony. So welcome to my kitchen. I'm here actually today to make some candy apples. Hopefully you've already seen my video where I cleaned the apples and got them all wax free and that kind of thing so I can dip them in the candy. Hopefully you've seen that. If not, go back and check that out first and then come back and see this. But like I said, today we're actually dipping apples. I'm making the candy apple mixture. I'm going to be making it shortly so y'all can see it as well. But like I said, we're dipping apples, y'all. So like I said, again, this is Tony. Welcome to my kitchen. And make sure that you all subscribe, of course, to the channel. And make sure that you put down in the comments whether you've made candy apples or whether you actually like candy apples. I guess I'll put it that way because I want to hear both sides. Whether you like them, don't like them, or whether you've made them or haven't made them. So let me know. So like I said, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this. I do want to show y'all some of the things that I'm using. I already got my apples back here on some wax paper. So you all, I'm not going to switch the camera so you all can see. But you all will see once I start dipping. So I'm going to move everything back over there. But the flavor of the candy is going to be tropical punch. And this is actually a Lorann oils dram. I'm going to use this entire dram of, hopefully, I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't see, but it's Lorann. I'll just show you the box. It's Lorann. Like I said, Lorann Gourmet is Lorann super strength flavorings. And like I said, today it's going to be, these apples are going to be tropical punch, y'all. So, in this Valentine's Day, because I'm actually making this for an event tonight. So, I'm trying to take this plastic off. I should have done that already, but that's all right, y'all. That's all right. That's all right. But like I said, I'm doing this for a vendor event today. I have some, of course, I'm with my small home business is called Cookies and Ish. And, of course, I already have my cookies baked and all that kind of stuff. If you need to see some of those videos, and some of how I make the cookie balls and all the type of stuff, they're in the videos down below somewhere. I can tell you that. But like I said, definitely this is one making some candy apples. I've made some in the past, but I haven't been recent. I guess I put it that way. Because this is my first time actually introducing my candy apples to Southern Arizona down here in Tucson. So hopefully they like them, y'all. I'll let y'all know how everything turns out, which I'm sure they'll be all sold out. Because usually when I go to these vendor events and stuff like that, usually all my stuff is sold out, y'all. At least maybe sometimes I have a few left. Less than 5, I guess I put it that way, but majority of the time it's sold out, which I'm grateful for. That's awesome, so that lets me know that I'm doing a great job. So let me go ahead and get back into what I'm using so I can help get this stuff made. I'm using metallic red. Like I said, it's for Valentine's Day, so I'm going to use the metallic red. It's Chef Masters. And I got the whole box back here. It's the, it's the Pearlescent Metallic Airbrushing Food Coloring Kit. Like I said, this one is the red, the metallic red. There is a, what other colors was in here? There was a gold. I have a silver, blue, green, and I think that's black. What is this? Yeah, this is black in there too. So, but like I said, I got these all off Amazon. I don't have any links right now to put in the description, but that's okay. Like I said, definitely they're called Chef Master. So you can make your way up to Amazon or Michael's or whoever sells these in your area to pick this up. So, like I said, these apples will be metallics. And I've made metallic apples before. They were beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. People love them, y'all. Actually, I made lemonade metallic apples. And they're all gold. So that was awesome. And like these are the sticks I actually like. On top, I have brown apple sticks. But I'm using these to, of course, cover up the brown apple sticks. Because I said it's Valentine's Day. So I want to add some cute little decoration to it. So I put 4 of these on each one because I have 8 apples. So I have 4 of those on each one. So, let me go ahead and get into this, y'all. Let me go ahead and get my my camera turned down so y'all can get on over here to this pot. So, we can start cooking, y'all. I'm just going to stir this a little bit so it can kind of mix up before it starts getting actually cooking. And I do have my thermometers right here behind me. Or right here on this thing right here. So I have it behind me too. So like I said, that should be, that's fine. There we go. So I got that. Like I said, I'm just trying to mix this up. Just to let you all know what I'm using. This 411 mixture is not my mixture. It's actually my Sweet Connections mixture. I saw her on YouTube. And of course, I used the recipe. She said, take a recipe, use it. So I did. I've been using the recipe for a few years now. So it's 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1 cup of water. So like I said, that's the recipe that I use, and that's worked very well over the years. And I saw somebody else's recipe the other day. I haven't used it yet, but I may decide to use it and see how it turns out, y'all. But for right now, like I said, this is the 411 mixture. 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 1 cup of water, y'all. Let me stop stirring this. So I can go ahead, and I was trying to just mix up the sugar a little bit, make sure it's a little bit not too gritty, I guess I put it that way. So here's my handy dandy digital thermometer. Like I said, I'm going to actually be holding this most of the time because I know this clip, well, the clip can actually stay on there, I guess. I guess it's okay. Because usually I try to hold it, but maybe I'll stick it on her this time. No, I don't want to stick it on her because it goes all the way down to the bottom, so I don't want that at all. Because you cannot have this thermometer all the way down to the bottom because they will give you a false reading. So like I said, I'll just hold it. That's okay. And I've done that many a times before, so that's okay, y'all. Welcome again to this video. Like I said, I'm making some easy candy apples. I'm hoping you're enjoying the video so far. Again, don't forget to make sure that you click subscribe to my channel, and of course click that notification bell to receive all the videos that I upload here on this channel. So like I said, definitely let's get back into it. As y'all see what I'm doing on this part, I'm cooking the candy. I guess I put it that way. The candy will take, it took me about a good 25 minutes almost to, of course, make this candy. I guess I put it that way anytime you're making candy apples, because it has to get up to 300 degrees on your thermometer. So like I said, it took me a little while, so I didn't want to show y'all this whole process because it went so slow. It took about a good 30 minutes. So like I said, definitely I didn't want to have y'all watch that, and so I just sped this little part on just to save you all some time. I guess I put it that way. But in reality, when you're making candy apples or making any kind of candy, whether you're making lollipops, anything along those lines, you are going to have to wait. You're going to have patience. Because like I said, it will take a while for that candy thermometer to reach 300 degrees. Just keep that in mind. But like I said, right here, you see that it's just starting to boil. I'm holding the thermometer still because, of course, my thermometer clip, when I clipped it on the side, as you all may have seen a little while ago, it doesn't actually, it'll hold, but it goes all the way down to the bottom. But that clip isn't long enough so I can push it up a little bit so it won't stick, so it won't touch the bottom of the pan. And like I said before, when you're holding the thermometer to like the bottom of the pan, it gives you a false reading that the candy mixture or whatever you're making is done, and it's not. So never put that thermometer down to the bottom. So like I said, that's why I couldn't use the clip. It was too sharp, so I couldn't pull it up. And then of course, like I said, with the way that it was going, right at the tip, it was just touching the bottom. So that's all right. Like I said, I have to invest in me another darn thermometer that has a longer clip or something on it, so that I can, of course, or so that I won't have to sit there and hold this thermometer during this whole long time. But I did anyway. I'm used to it. Like I said, I've done it several times. There's nothing new for me. I got to make it work. I got to make it work until I get something different. So I put it that way. So like I said, it's definitely a learning experience. I put it that way. Especially if you're a treat maker, you're interested in making candy apples and those type of things. Like I said, it's definitely a learning experience. Something that, of course, take you a little while to learn, because I know the first time or two, I didn't do the candy right. I was stirring too much and all this kind of stuff going on, which you're not supposed to stir it at all, except for in the beginning before you get it on heat. So that it can, of course, stir and that type of thing. But like I said, I sat there and had all the stirring away and messed up the entire batch of candy mixture. But that was my fault. So like I said, I won't do that no more. So like I said, when you're making the candy, stir it in the beginning to get the sugar, the corn syrup, and the water all mixed up, and then turn the heat on. And don't mess with it after that. Don't stir it up. Don't do anything like that at all while it's cooking. Because like I said, you don't want to mess it up like me. And as you see, looking at the pot on the stove, the bubbles are getting faster. They're getting more. I guess I put it that way as well. So of course the temperature is getting hotter. I don't know what it is at this point, because like I said, I sped it up. So I'm not sure what the temperature is. It should be at least 200, or a little bit over 200. I'm sure at this point. Could be 250. I don't know, but like I said, it should be a little bit over 200. Because like I said, the bubbles are boiling very, very fast. You see it cooking really, really good. I guess I put it that way as well. So like I said, this is what you will be seeing when you're cooking yours too. And when I keep putting my fingers down, my thumb down there, I'm wiping off my thermometer, because all the steam and stuff that comes out of the candy mixture keeps fogging up my little temperature window. I guess I put it that way. So I have to keep wiping it off. If y'all keep seeing my finger go down there, that's what I'm doing actually. But like I said, definitely, these were definitely a joy to make. And like I said, I always, of course, it takes time to make the candy, but I always enjoy making them because I love the way they turn out. So, and I love the way, of course, people smile, they love it and those types of things. So like I said, I definitely love that. So like I said, that's something that I love and I like, but you may not like that. I don't know. But like I said, I definitely do. So like I said, that's something that brings me joy just to see the smiles on people's faces when they do eat the candy apples. So that's, like I said, that brings me joy. It brings a smile to my face too. I put it that way. I'm trying to see. Like I said, there's more bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, and bubbles. More bubbles. Now there I go wiping off the thing again. And y'all, when I didn't mention the flavoring. The flavoring for this, the kiwi strawberry, I did add the flavoring. I believe it was at 200. I wish I had that in my, I may have said it in the beginning. Shoot. I want to say it was 200 degrees when I added the flavoring. I'll put it in the description what the correct temperature is. It's either 200 or 250 when I added the flavoring. I want to say that it's 200 though. I don't know if you saw it on here or not, but I did add the flavoring at that particular temperature. Like I said, I'm not sure if you saw it on here or not, which is fine. If you didn't, that's fine. But like I said, you do have to add that. Like I said, at 200 or 250, and I'll put the correct one in the description of this video for you, just so you can know what that temperature is for your apples when you, of course, are trying to make the apples, or if you're making suckers or that type of thing as well. So like I said, this is just boiling more. I did have to switch hands because my hands was getting tired, y'all. As you see me going back and forth, my hands was getting tired of holding this doggone thermometer. But like I said, I have to invest in me another one. And I have had several different kind of thermometers. Ones that was too long, ones that was too big. It just didn't work. But I'll find the right one, y'all, because I think I have like 3 thermometers. But this is the one that I can use that's for my short pots. But like I said, I will definitely find another one. I'm not going to worry about it, because the other ones did not work all that well. They were like the manual, like the ones that just like with the mercury rising. I didn't like that at all. This is digital, so I don't have to go through all that. I put it that way. And like I said, it's getting close to the temperature when it's almost done, y'all. It's getting up there. And like I said, y'all can see those bubbles are coming faster and faster and faster, y'all. Faster. And like I said, you're going to see this too, but definitely be careful, because this mixture can burn you if you make a mistake or that type of thing. Right. All right, y'all, the candy mixture is done, and I'm actually trying to set up the camera over here so y'all can see me dip these apples in the mixture. So I'm trying to set it up for y'all as best as I can without messing up my phone, dropping it inside this doggone candy apple mixture. Or I think I got it. Okay, you can see my little fake plant over too. It's fake, don't worry about it. All right, y'all. I gotta go ahead and get the color in there. All right. Gotta go ahead and get the color in so I can go ahead and start dipping these bad boys inside the mixture, y'all. All right. Let me. Oh, Jesus, pieces almost threw this stuff all around the place. Good Lord Jesus. Y'all almost threw this red stuff all around the place. Lord Jesus. And when you put the color in there, it will bubble up like y'all are seeing now. But just keep in mind that that's normal and that's okay. Just know that that's okay. I'm trying to get it in there, y'all. Uh-oh. Okay. And I'm also trying to kill some of these bubbles too in the process. Kill them. I mean, get rid of some of the bubbles. Because it is still so hot. And I removed it right at 300. Like I said, you have to remove it right at 300. That's exactly what I did. And like I said, I'm adding and I'm not sure what's going on with my color. My color don't seem like it's actually, and with the metallics, you're not supposed to add any white to it, but I'm wondering, that's okay. Let me see, maybe I need to add some more metallic. because it didn't seem like it was turning all the way red like I wanted, y'all. Just seemed like it was part red. As y'all can look at my, whatever this thing called, a spatula, and see. That's okay, we'll see. I don't know what's going on, y'all. And Lord, don't tell me I done messed up these candy apple, this mixture. I hope I didn't. If I did, it's going to be the way it is. Hopefully I didn't, though. I'm hoping that I haven't. Okay, y'all, now I'm going to go ahead and start dipping these apples, y'all, okay? Like I said, here's my apples on the sticks. So I can start dipping. And I have 8, like I said, 8 apples here. And I'm hoping that all 8, and they all should be able to, of course, be dipped. And they're actually see-through. I wasn't wanting that, but that's okay. So on this part, of course, I'm still, of course, dipping the apples. Of course, like I said, I wanted, when I first made these metallic red apples, and I must have did use the white back in the day. I'm sure I probably did. I just did not use it for this mixture, and I honestly forgot all about it, but that's because it wasn't even on my counter to even use. But that is all right, y'all. That is going to happen when you're making and baking stuff. You'll forget something, or something's not going to turn out the way you want it to turn out. But best believe these apples, they actually all were sold out. So once I took them to my event. So everybody still loved them, regardless as to whether I wanted them see-through red or not, or that kind of thing. Like I said, people still love them, y'all. That's what mattered. But like I said, definitely just know that everything's not going to be perfect at all when you're baking. And like I said, making these treats. But like I said, you can make them to the best of your ability. People will still love them, I'm pretty sure. Don't worry about that, because I ain't worried about it. I guess I put it that way. But like I said, I'm dipping all these apples. I have 8 apples, and I'm, of course, dipping for y'all. And like I said, they only take a few, maybe like 5 minutes or less to, of course, to pick up. I guess after you dip them, that kind of thing. You can pick them up after like 5 minutes, touch them. And they should be, of course, very, very dry. And you can put them in the bags at that point as well. Like I said, they'll definitely last. They won't stick to the bags at all. Trust me on that one, y'all. Just try it. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure that you all subscribe to this video as well, y'all. All right, y'all. I got all the apples dipped. And for some reason, like I said, usually when you use the metallics, you shouldn't use white. But I probably should have used white with this because the color did not come. It came out translucent, meaning that you could see through the candy. And I didn't want that. But that's okay. They still going today to the event anyway. Like I said, it's still tropical punch is still going. But like I said, definitely that's the end of it. And like I said, what I'm going to do with the rest of this candy mixture is put it back on the stove. I'm going to fill it up like halfway full of water, or actually most of the way full of water. Put it back on the stove and let all this sugar and this candy turn back to liquid so I can pour it out. So, because otherwise the pan would be stuck and the candy be stuck in there and you can't get it out. So you can, like I said, fill it up at least halfway full of water. And then, of course, just boil it until it boils all the way out. And they usually don't take that long. So with that, y'all, like I said, once these candy apples cool down, which it should be like another 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and start bagging them and getting ready to go to the event, y'all. So I hope y'all like this tutorial. Like I said, I'm making some candy apples, and this is tropical punch flavor with the metallic red, y'all. Even though it ain't the dark metallic red that I had last time, but that is all right. And I do have some white. Next time I will use the whitener too again. So I didn't think I had to, but shoot, that's okay. It's still cute. Let me see, y'all. Here they go. Like I said, they still cute. That's all right. They still gonna taste damn good too. That's all right. So like I said, definitely, y'all. I'll chat with y'all later. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you've ever made apples like this, candy apples, or if you even like candy apples. So let me know in the comments. Again, this is Tony's Kitchen. Like I said, definitely. And my channel is Tonetta Clay, which is my name, but of course we're in my kitchen. But like I said, definitely make sure that you subscribe. Click the notification bell for all to receive all the videos and upload, because I upload several times throughout the week. So peace out, y'all. Have a good one.